Welcome to EK Plays. Today, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to ride a dirt bike. Safety first. You always need a helmet, and if you're just 5, then you'll need elbow bands and hand bands and knee bands. So first thing you do, I'm going to go on the road. First thing I have to do is I very carefully walk my dirt bike down the street. Remember, look both ways before you go. Then you put your feet up on these if you have them. And then you guys see this little red thing right there? That is where. So whenever I twist this, look. Hands moving. I'm going to go down there and do that. And I'll show you some other steps of it. So let's get headed to my dirt bike spot. 1 second. I'm going to tell you about these 3 things. This is the key, the throttle, and the brakes. If you guys don't know how to use it, I'll teach you guys. So which one should I do first, guys? Comment down below. I'm going to do the brakes first. Okay, so look, when I'm driving, no, don't show them the third one. When I'm driving it, and I'm driving it super fast. Look, and I'm driving it like super fast, like this. I want to slow down, press the brakes. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna go around 2 times on the racetrack. So my dad's gonna time me how long it takes. Vloggy's gonna time me how long it takes to go around 2 times on the racetrack. Starting now. Go, Vloggy. Sorry, guys, there's a car coming. It's Porto. Let's try that again.